Okay, well, third time's a charm, right? This is the third time. I'm going to try and record a video for you to upload. I just wanted to give you a Thanksgiving greeting, but it's giving me some issues this morning. Anyways, happy Friday. Thanksgiving weekend's coming up, so I would like you to think about things that you can be thankful for. I'm thankful for having you as my students. You guys are rock stars. We had a great week, great first week of our virtual learning for English. We got quite a bit done. So if you notice in Edsby, your first opinion paragraph is due today with respect to the one that we wrote about mask wearing in public places. I'm not going to take marks off if you're not done today, but try and get it done for today or close to the due dates, because I don't want to be getting into the beginning of November with only 2 weeks left and I'm chasing students for work from the beginning of October. So keep up with your work. Tuesday morning I have the due date set for all of the stuff for Lamb to the Slaughter. That's what you're going to be working on this morning. And you have the content questions to do. You have the content questions, the jigsaw, ordering things in the correct order that they happen in the story. You got the chart on the 3 types of irony and applying it within Lamb to the Slaughter. And you have the compare and contrast, watching the Alfred Hitchcock movie. So those are the 4 things you have to do. If you are in the grade 9 academic class, then you also have a opinion paragraph to write on whether or not you think Mary Maloney is guilty of murder. So there's another worksheet that goes for that I uploaded through the gradebook in Edsby, so take a look for that. If you need it sent a different way, just let me know. I'm going to be available all morning for any help that you might need. We can meet up on Teams. I think we can do like a one-on-one kind of teacher-student chat on there if you have any questions or whatever. I'm trying to remember what I said the first 2 times I tried to make this video, so today is a funny day for technology, I guess. Anyways, I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving weekend. Keep working today on the stuff for Lambs to the Slaughter. Tuesday we're going to start with a new story called Thank You Ma'am by Langston Hughes. So while you're doing your work today, if you work over the weekend, right on. If not, whatever, as long as you get your stuff done on time or close to on time. Think about things that you are thankful for. I put up a couple pictures there that I think are funny, but I'm also much older, so they might be funny for me, but not so much for you. Think about things you can be thankful for, such as having a wonderful virtual English teacher. I would be thankful for that. I'm thankful for having you as my students. You guys are rock stars. You're killing it. Good job. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Eat lots of food. I know I have 4 dinners planned in the next 4 days, so I'm going to be a little groggy on Tuesday morning because I'm going to be stuffed like a Thanksgiving turkey all weekend. But that's okay. That's what it's about, right? So, without further ado, I'm going to let you get to your work. Hopefully this video works this time, because the first 2 did not for whatever reason. Anyways, have a good weekend. Take care. Be safe.